bike, got an awesome start, but then I wanted to go with the front guys, but that was maybe a little bit too hard, so I got unpumped it, and then I totally lost my rhythm, so hopefully getting better in the second race.
Take a good start, pin it, miss all the roost, don't get any dirt on my tear offs, and hopefully we should be alright.
Yeah, Moto2, the track's actually the best I've seen it all weekend. They've been flooding it and watering it all weekend, but it's actually dried out a little bit. It'll be pretty good. Rutted, rough, and you could definitely get in trouble, so have to be smart and stay out of trouble.